Time to install the new drawer. Step 1, take your parts, determine which way they go. They'll be labeled, and slide them together. Shouldn't have to force it at all. If it's stiff and you're forcing it, then it's not lined up. Just make sure you right down the line there. And then this little tab helps if that's toward the back. And again, you only need a little force to seat it at the very end. Kind of clicks in place. And then after that, you should be good to go. If you need to release the drawers from the mounts, there's a little tab on the side. When you open it, you'll see it on the side there. And one side goes up, the other side pushes down. And once you push that down, it releases. So you can take it apart. Don't try to yank it apart. You need to do those tabs. Okay, time to attach it to the underside of the desk. Got it all put together. You want to put it in the position that you prefer, how far you want it to the front and all that. Just want to make sure it's not binding, not too tight, not too loose. Everything should be square. And once you get it sitting how you want, time to fire up the drills. Got a pre-drill for the holes. The screws are big and all the weight is hanging off those screws, so they got to be strong. So you pre-drill. You'll notice that the holes for the screws are elongated. That allows the wood to expand and contract, especially if it's solid wood. And it also allows you to make a little adjustment. If it's not perfect, you can always tweak the adjustment a little bit. Once you've pre-drilled your holes, and don't drill through the top if you can help it. Drive your screws. Best to do one side. Make sure things are smooth and not binding, then do the other side. Drive your screws in. Once you got that, time to heave that desk over, or you could have removed the top and attached it to the top separately. Once you've done that, reattach your top and give it a test. Should operate nice and smooth. If it's binding, you can always tweak it a little bit, loosen the screws up, make a slight adjustment until it's going nice and smooth. There is a little stop when you push it all the way in. And load that keyboard in and start making music.